Friends, welcome. I'm happy to see all of you here, and I'm happy that many of you made money because Bitcoin reached our first goal, first target, where it's time to book at least small part of your profit to be out of any risk. Have a look. I hope many of you remember that at 21st of March, I recorded a video where I told all of you that Bitcoin is going to break a trend triangle, and you can watch that video on our public YouTube channel. You'll find it. It is exactly this video, or in our public Telegram channel. Have a look. Price of Bitcoin at that time was $41,339, and at this moment, have a look, my friends. Have a look. Bitcoin from that price already rose by 14%. It is a good time to book at least part of your profit. Most of you at this moment would ask me first, why Bitcoin rise? Can I open a trade right now again? And that would be our goal. Let's cover all of these questions. Before I start covering these questions, I ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because if you want to get such updates like I did for you, which hit target in 70-80% cases, hit subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notified. Have a look. What's the major reason why Bitcoin rising? First reason, my friends, it is of long accumulation. As I mentioned in previous videos, here it is big volume area. It goes value area, because a lot of people trade it here, and a lot of people accumulate Bitcoins, especially whales. When they buy a lot, they move price into their direction. After that accumulation, have a look, Bitcoin broke and price didn't let even to come back. That means finally Bitcoin broke all of this range, and finally we have first cycle up. Honestly, I think there could be 2 cycles or at least 3 cycles up, and I'll cover about goals in the next part. That means first reason, it is this big volume accumulation. It was the first reason for this rise. Another reason, I remember exactly this situation. I remember it when during previous summer, during previous year, Bitcoin started to rise without anything volume. Have a look. There was no volume increase, there was no liquidation, there was nothing. Bitcoin just started to rise from this and double its price. The same here. Situation here even much better, because have a look on this volume spikes. That means whales had opportunity to accumulate more Bitcoins. It is the first. Next topic. Another reason, it is a fundamental data. Have a look. Bitcoin number of addresses with balance more than 1,000 of Bitcoins on that wallet when during 22nd of Jan increase dramatically by more than 200 wallets. And it means when people have more than 1,000, it could be 5,000, 10,000, and just calculate at that price of Bitcoin at that time was approximately 35. It was at 35 millions. That means some people altogether bought few billions of Bitcoins. It's a signal that shows to us that someone accumulated Bitcoin even much more before start. And that's example for you when people sometimes use some fundamental data and they think, oh my God, Glassnode indicator showed uptrend, show buy signal. But my friends, it took approximately 1 month until it played out. That means when you read fundamental data, don't do biggest mistakes of most of beginners. Don't hurry up and trade it like slowly, because there could be some lagging. And by the way, I highly recommend all of you to join our public Telegram channel, because have a look, on daily basis we share such important data that will help you understand what's going on crypto market. What you do, open any video on our public YouTube channel, and you'll find here in the description this one, free educational Telegram channel, and subscribe just to be notified about our videos, posts, and the most interesting stuff. Another reason, my friends, have a look on this one. Total supply of stable coins. During previous year, amount of stable coins increased dramatically. The amount of stable coin increased by 500% in just 1 year. That means why stable coins is so important? Because when there are more stable coins, people have more money to buy Bitcoins, and because of that, price of Bitcoin rise. Another example, And of course, another example of fundamental data, it is total liquidations. Uh, what means total liquidations? When you, for example, buy Bitcoin with 10x leverage, and price moves against you 10%, that means 10 multiplied by 10, that means 100% of your account gone. And exchange automatically close your trade, and if you have long trade, it automatically sold your coins to exchange. And during that time, if you analyze chart of Bitcoin quite long enough, as I do, you would see that during such times, mostly Bitcoin finds its bottom when number of liquidations hit its records. And have a look, Bitcoin liquidations during this drop, up liquidations really much bigger than short liquidation. Green, it means liquidation of people that keep buy positions. Red, it is when people keep short positions. And have a look, when Bitcoin started this slowly squeezing up, there was no liquidations of short sellers. That's the reason why yesterday, when I was in Lviv with my partner, we recorded a video and told to people to close all shorts before this spike of Bitcoin. That's another reason why you should follow us. That's the reason why Bitcoin rising, my friends. And let's cover exact recommendation what could be at this moment our clear entry points. First one, let's open daily chart. Remember, daily chart, it is always ahead. At this moment, it's a little bit late to buy Bitcoin on the futures because price of Bitcoin already gave 15% of profit, and those people that bought it here, they in good profit. For opening new trade, we need first some pullback, some range, and creating of trend line breakout pattern. That would be a clear pattern when you can open Bitcoin new trade for clear profit. And what I recommend you to do, we do at this moment right now something like this. We wait when Bitcoin creates some trend line. Let me do some examples for you. Like this example on Luna. First one, have a look on this local trend lines. Like local trend line. And after that we take a breakup with stop loss and take profit in a few times bigger. Another one, when price create something like this massive trend line on bigger time frames, the same. We wait for trend line, after that we trade trend line breakout patterns. That's it. That's what I recommend you to do at this on Bitcoin. Some of you would say, but Yuri, what exactly I can do at this moment? At this moment, you wait, because if you would follow me, you already would be in position. At this moment, if you're out of trade on Bitcoin, you wait and you watch this video lesson about trendline breakout strategy, and when a pattern appears, you take a trade. That's why, once more, watch this lesson about trendline breakout strategy. It would be exactly here. See you. Thank you for watching.